Merhaba arkadaşlar. Welcome to Turkish Language Academy, where we make learning Turkish fun and easy. Today, we'll learn how to introduce yourself in Turkish. I'll explain each part step by step with examples, and you'll practice along with me. Let's get started. Let's start with greetings. Depending on the situation, you can say merhaba, hello, general and neutral. Selam, hi, informal. Günaydın, good morning. İyi günler, good day. İyi akşamlar, good evening. Here's an example. Merhaba, nasılsınız? Hello, how are you? Formal. Or in an informal setting. Selam, nasılsın? Hi, how are you? Introducing your name. To introduce your name, you can say, benim adım. Your name. My name is. Your name? For example, benim adım Ayşe. My name is Ayşe. To ask someone their name, you can say, sizin adınız ne? What is your name? Formal. Adın ne? What is your name? Now it's your turn. Say, benim adım. Your name? Write your answer in the comments below. Talking about your profession. Let's talk about your job. Here's how you can introduce your profession. Ben öğretmenim. I am a teacher. Ben doktorum. I am a doctor. Ben öğrenciyim. I am a student. Ben avukatım. I am a lawyer. If you're not working or retired, you can say, çalışmıyorum. I'm not working. İşsizim. Ben işsizim. I am unemployed. Emekliyim. I am retired. For example, ben doktorum. Siz ne iş yapıyorsunuz? I am a doctor. What do you do? Sharing where you're from. Now let's share where you're from. You can say, ben Türkiye'liyim. I am from Turkey. Ben Amerikalıyım. I am American. Ben İngiltereliyim. I am from England. If you want to share the city you live in, ben İstanbul'da yaşıyorum. I live in Istanbul. Ben Ankara'dan geliyorum. I am from Ankara. For example, ben Pakistanlıyım. İstanbul'da yaşıyorum. I am Pakistani. I live in Istanbul. If you don't know how Turks say your country's name, click the link in the description box below to watch my video and learn your country's name in Turkish. Talking about your age. It's optional. If you'd like to share your age, say, ben, your age, yaşındayım. I am, your age, years old. For example, ben 25 yaşındayım. I am 25 years old. Let's practice. Say your age now. Asking questions back. To keep the conversation going, ask questions like, ya, siz, and you, formal. Ya sen, and you, Informal. Siz nerelisiniz? Where are you from? Formal. Or sen nerelisin? Informal. For example, benim adım Ayşe, siz nerelisiniz? My name is Aisha, where are you from? Now repeat after me. Siz ne re li say niz. Siz nerelisiniz? Sen ne re li sen. Sen nerelisin? Putting it all together. Now let's combine everything. Here's an example. Merhaba, benim adım Ayşe. Ben öğretmenim. Ben Pakistanlıyım, İstanbul'da yaşıyorum. 30 yaşındayım. Siz nerelisiniz? That's it for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Write your introduction in the comments below and I'll reply with feedback. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Language Academy for more lessons. Görüşürüz. See you next time.